Have you ever bought a new brush and thought, is this for me? Let's find out. Starting off with the prep time, you need to make sure your hair's clean. You've washed it. I've washed mine and deep conditioned, all ready to style. I've obviously detangled my hair, and the brush we're using is the Tangle Teezer Vented Blow Dry Hairbrush. Will this be effortless, or will we be fighting with the knots? The best way is to section your hair in manageable sections. I usually section out the front and start at the back and work my way forwards. There's a giveaway near the end of the video, so you need to watch my video all the way through to the end to know what I'm going to give away. I use the normal gentle detangling brush, and it is the shizness. Come on, Tangle Teezer, show us what you can do. The best way to achieve definition is if you work on damp to wet hair. Don't start styling on dry hair. I'll begin with the normal amount of product in my hair. I would need to dampen it slightly, just using the normal water bottle. There we go. Make sure I get the root of the hair. There you go. It doesn't feel like it gets the roots, does it? But it looks better already, right? Compared to this side. I'm using my absolute favorite Eco Style argan oil, maximum hold 10. So I'm using the best product for definition. So everything lies on how good this brush is and how good my technique is, obviously. I use quite a lot of product to style my hair. Now this brush says it's specialized for blow drying, okay? We're just going to style our hair, a wash and go for our naturally curly hair. Will it work on my type 3C4A hair? The answer is no, not for detangling. You can see I'm struggling. So you have to have another brush, which is my normal Tangle Teezer detangling brush. I mean, that one is the OG, and I have to detangle with that first and then use this brush. So you need two brushes technically. That's the first disadvantage. I found even after I detangled, this brush was causing knots at the ends of my hair. I'm raking in the product and then brushing it through with the brush. My observation already is that this brush could possibly detangle fine hair and less afro style hair, but for my hair it's not detangling. It seems very hard to get right to the root. You'll notice as I'm doing it that my roots just seem not defined at all. You can see I'm struggling. So not much definition at the root, but a lot of volume. So if you want big hair, this will definitely happen. Here's a big tip. I really had to be patient and take my time with this because all the pulling and trying to get the knots out was creating a stressful environment for me and my hair. You want to have patience, take your time, be gentle, don't rush it. Otherwise, you're going to pull your hair, and your hair is in a fragile state anyway when it's wet. So be gentle. That's why the brush is so important. Meet Sean P. I'll put a photo so you can see, the inventor and founder of Tangle Teezer. He says, I invented Tangle Teezer from my experience working as a hair colorist. I revolutionized the hairbrush category with detangling. Now I'm doing the same with blow drying. He invented the detangle brush that is the shizness, I was saying. That's why I had such high expectations for this brush. It's such a shame, but I'm not going to knock it. Let's give it the benefit of the doubt. He says, from years of research, it was evident that innovative teeth technology was the answer to not only gentle detangling, but a fast and fuss-free blow dry too. Says award-winning unique teeth configuration quickly dries and smooths the hair for you. Well, it's not smoothing my hair. Delivers natural volume, yeah, lift and smoothness. It definitely does. I can see why there's volume because it doesn't get to the root. The lift, we'll see, and smoothness, no. Teeth and vent work together for a faster dry and style. I guess it's for blow drying. Light-weighted handle for an on the go. Yeah, it's definitely lightweight. I must say this brush is nice and easy to handle. It's an easy grip. It's light. Perfect. He says, do not use with straightening irons. Yep, I'm not using straightening irons. Designed, developed, and made in the UK. We are getting some definition though. Have a look at those curls. This brush is meant to reduce drying time. Oh, would I love to reduce my drying time? I mean, show us. The definition is very, very good though. Have a look. Just look at it. I am not going to diffuse my hair. I'm going to air dry. But I mean, you can diffuse if you have time and want to. It's summer here, so at the moment I find my hair dries much quicker anyway. I just go outside, carry on, do what I need to do, and it dries without me even thinking. It's looking pretty good, right? So much for me complaining about this brush. The curls are popping. Is the Tangle Teezer the star of the show? Maybe. Is it the star of detangling? No. All I can say is maybe I should have used perfect sections. Like I've had to maybe go with a comb and make a perfect section. But who's got time for that? You want to just make paths and sections with your fingers, not have to use another tool and another tool to section out your hair. It's possibly the way the teeth are, because it seems when you look at the brush, the bottom of the teeth are much bigger than the tips of the teeth, so that it gets smaller. Here's a photo you can see, and that's possibly why I can't get to the root and get perfect definition at the root, but it's all right. They've really taken their time to style in this brush. If you even look at the back of the brush, there's a fingerprint. Very cool. I like that for our thumb. The downside really to this brush is that it's not distributing the product evenly throughout the hair. So with our curls, our natural hair, you definitely need the product distributed from root to tip evenly, so it gets into the nooks and crannies, and then the definition of the curls just flows, you know. I've done another video with the Tangle Teezer, this one, that is phenomenal. Like, I love this brush. I use it for detangling, I use it for styling, I use it for everything. One and done. I'm that kind of girl. One and done. If it works for everything, why am I buying another brush? But there, you see, I've bought another brush to try another brush. Anyway, the point is, have a look at that video. It shows you the difference between this brush and the other brush. Okay, we've almost finished styling. Let's see how it looks. Was it worth buying this brush? Drum roll. Let me know. Have you tried this brush? What is the best technique? Is it just for blow drying? I don't blow dry my hair, so technically I'm gonna give this brush away. Do you want it? Leave the best comment and you'll get the brush. Like this video, please. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you still doing? You don't want to miss out on all the tips and tricks that I bring you. The benefit of raking in the product first is that it evenly distributes it throughout the hair, and then the brush is just the styling tool to get it into place. I'm having to redo the front over and over again, but that's fine because the front is what I see and what you see. So it really does need to be perfect. Well, there you have it. It's all styled. I just go back and look at a few pieces just to make sure it's all good. The wet results are looking on point. Yeah. The brush, has this brush lived up to its hype? Dry results, there you go. They look good. They look good. Not as bad as I thought, honestly. Especially when I was styling. But that? There's frizz. Frizz, frizz, frizz. Just embrace it. It's fine. It's only going to last however long you keep it. I'm happy with these results. Considering how bad the roots were going, nah. But I'm actually happy. I'd give this a 6 out of 10. This brush for styling our hair, really. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.